Hey guys, subscribe to our channel and do click on the bell icon to get notification on our new videos. Guribide! Hi friends, today I'm going to prepare hot and spicy smoked pork. So I have the ingredients here: smoked pork, bamboo shoot juice, tomatoes, chili powder, dried yam stem, salt to taste, and garlic and ginger. I'll be cooking this in a traditional Naga clay pot. Let's add the smoked pork. Chili powder, tomatoes, and salt. Now add some water. See, it's cooking very well now. I'll just stir it once. Now I'll be covering this with banana leaf to give some additional flavor to it. And after that, cover it with a lid. It has been cooking for about 15 minutes. So let's check it once and add the remaining ingredients. Now I'll add the bamboo shoot juice. After adding the bamboo shoot juice, you don't need to stir it. Now you don't need to cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's roughly pound the ginger. I will pound the garlic as well. It's been about 10 minutes now and the gravy has already been thickened. Now we can add the garlic and ginger. Cook this in a low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. We'll again cover it with the banana leaf and the lid. It has been about 2 minutes now, so let's check it once. We have one more last ingredient to be added here. So now I'll garnish it with a dried yam stem. Give it a slight stir and you can turn off the gas. So here we are with hot and spicy smoked pork. Let me taste it. मिठास दे